Welcome to the Machine Learning series. We're starting at the very beginning. So, what exactly is machine learning? Simply put, machine learning is the practice of teaching a computer to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Think about it. Traditional programming is telling the computer exactly what to do at every step. ML is like giving the computer thousands of examples and letting it figure out the rules itself. The goal is simple. Identify patterns in that data and use those patterns to make smart predictions or informed decisions. We measure its success by how accurate those predictions are, which we call performance.
Before we go further, let's clear up the biggest confusion: AI, ML, and deep learning. They are not the same. They are a hierarchy. Artificial intelligence is the big picture, the decades-old dream of building intelligent machines. Modern L is a modern technique to achieve AI. It's the learning from data part. Deep learning is a specialized type of ML that uses large, complex structures called neural networks to handle things like images and text with incredible accuracy. Deep learning is what powers things like ChatGPT. Just remember this nesting. Deep learning is ML, and ML is AI. We now get to the three main pillars of machine learning, starting with the most common, supervised learning. The supervised part means the data comes with a label or an answer key. We feed the model pictures of apples labeled apple and pictures of oranges labeled orange. The model supervises its own learning by checking its predictions against the correct label. The two main goals are classification, where we predict a category. Is this email spam or not spam? And regression, where we predict a continuous value. What will the house price be next year? We now get to the three main pillars of machine learning, starting with the most common, supervised learning. The supervised part means the data comes with a label or an answer key. We feed the model pictures of apples labeled apple and pictures of oranges labeled orange. The model supervises its own learning by checking its predictions against the correct label. The two main goals are classification, where we predict a category. Is this email spam or not spam? And regression, where we predict a continuous value. What will the house price be next year? Next up is unsupervised learning. Here, we give the model data without any labels. There is no answer key. The model's job is to figure out the inherent structure and hidden patterns in the data all by itself. Think of it as sorting a massive pile of Legos. You don't tell the computer, this is a 2x4 brick. You just tell it to group the bricks that look similar. The main task here is clustering, like grouping your customers into different segments based on their buying habits. This is essential for pattern discovery. Finally, we have reinforcement learning, or RL. This is less about data prediction and more about decision making. Imagine an agent, a piece of software placed in an environment. It takes an action, and the environment gives it a reward or a penalty. The goal of the agent is to learn the best sequence of actions to maximize that total reward over time. It's truly learning through trial and error, like a dog learning tricks for treats. This is the technology behind training self-driving cars and the AIs that beat world champions at chess and Go. It's a completely different paradigm. And there you have it. The definition of machine learning, its relationship to AI and deep learning, and a foundational understanding of supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. In our next video, we will dive deep into data pre-processing, the crucial step that makes or breaks any ML project. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.